हाय, प्लीज टेल मी, इज इट जस्ट मी या फिर आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? द मोर आई ट्राई टू शिफ्ट माई फीड फ्रॉम नॉन हेल्दी टू हेल्दी, लाइक एक्सरसाइजिंग, डाइट एंड एवरीथिंग, एक वर्ड है जो कॉन्स्टेंटली मेरी फीड में पॉपअप होता है. एनी गेसेस? Yes, this word is cortisol. And let me break this myth for you. No amount of diet, no amount of exercise, and not even your genetics impact your health the way chronic stress does. Hi, I am Saloni. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And you know, in the long video segment, we do talk heart to heart. So, आज का वीडियो होने वाला है about chronic stress and cortisol hormone. And we will try to understand in today's video that why does it comes first in the list when it comes to healthy lifestyle. So, कहीं मत जाओ, and I would recommend you to watch this video till the end. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो नाउ दैट वी नो आज हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि व्हाई द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट इज इम्पैक्टिंग योर हेल्दी ब्रेन, हेल्दी बॉडी, हेल्दी हार्ट और इवन योर लॉन्जेविटी इज क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस. इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. एवरीथिंग एल्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज सेकेंडरी. No matter how hard you're training, no matter how healthy you are eating, or you're trying to quit smoking, if you are under constant stress, you are going to age faster. And this aging will not only restricted to your skin, but the impact will also be seen in your internal organs. So this is something which is more serious than we think it is. Now that we understand why having no chronic stress is important for living a healthy life, let's try to understand how we can say tata bye bye to chronic stress, and let's see if this helps. Okay, so this is purely based on my research. I have taken out 5 strong rules that can be helpful for you to eliminate the constant pressure and constant stress from your life. Rule number 1: जो काम करने के लिए मन गवारा ना करे वो ना करें. Let me break this down for you. Do not engage in the kind of activities or work from which your brain feels constant resistance. For example, if you seriously hate your job, you know what? It is going to take few years from your life because it gives you constant cortisol release and it is impacting really negatively on your health. Another example can be surrounding yourself with the people who drains out your energy. If you feel such kind of surroundings, I would recommend you should think seriously about it and you should eliminate such kind of people from your life. So the bottom line here is eliminating these kind of toxic environment from your life can really save you from having chronic stress and ultimately give your life longevity, because having a toxic environment for a very longer time is impacting you till your cellular level, and it is taking good 10 years of your life away from you. Rule number 2: social connections matter more than material attachment. Meaning, आपकी लाइफ में जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत बड़ा सोशल सर्कल हो, बट हैविंग दैट वन पर्सन जिसके आगे यू कैन बी योर सेल्फ, यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ फ्रीली is a blessing. And trust me, this one person could be your very good friend, your family, your partner. And trust me, if you have such person in your life, they are contributing maybe 50% longevity in your life. Having that one person in your life can improve your life dramatically and more than a healthy diet. Rule number 3: find a purpose bigger than yourself. And it doesn't have to be a very big mission, but it has to be a stronger one that makes you feel that you are needed and you are here on this earth for a reason. एंड वाई इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज जितनी ज़रूरत हमें एक हेल्दी बॉडी की होती है उतनी ही सेम ज़रूरत हमें एक हेल्दी माइंड की होती है. And trust me, the moment you have a clear purpose in your life, the amount of uncertainty and stress around it is only going to be decreased. And that's when you will have a certain path to follow and a direction to flow towards. Rule number 4, and it is very simple. Please listen to your body before it stops listening to you. And what does this mean? Eat when you feel hungry, sleep when you need rest, stop when you feel overburdened. If you If you will keep your body pushing through all the time constantly, it will start releasing cortisol hormone chronically, and this is only going to damage your nervous system, and ultimately your entire system will shut down. Rule number 5, and it is the most important rule, is to live authentically. Now hold on, what does living authentically means in this context? So basically, in today's society we are all trained to push through our boundaries, to keep hustling, and this thought is very normal for us to you know rest later, work now. बट द रियलिटी इज हमारी बॉडी उस तरह से डिजाइंड ही नहीं है, एंड आर बॉडी कैन नॉट एंड्योर दिस सिचुएशन फॉर वेरी लॉन्गर टाइम. आपको पता है, द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टेंट स्ट्रेस आर नॉट work, money, success, fame. The main source of constant pressure is who we are, who we want to become, and इन दोनों के बीच में एक जो लिंक होता है कि who we are trying to be. Like we are not this person, but we are pretending to be this person. And hence, when we don't live authentically, the constant cortisol release, the constant performing pressure keeps hitting us. And this is very harmful for body to be in the survival mode for very longer time. And in our case, it can be so many years after years we are on survival mode. So we have reached towards the end of this video, and if you're still here, let me finish this video with this message. Cortisol हमारी बॉडी के लिए खराब नहीं है. In fact, it is very natural for our body to release cortisol for any other activity. What is more harmful for our body is constant release of cortisol, the chronic cortisol release. What it does to our body? Actually, जब बॉडी से constant cortisol release होता है, it impacts our blood vessels and ultimately it's going to weaken our immunity. And with this weaker immunity, the brain functioning gets damaged. और इसी के चलते धीरे 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 बॉडी का जो कोर सिस्टम है वो कोलैप्स होने लगता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, द पीपल हु लिव्स हेल्दी लाइफ आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी मैजिकल पिल. They know how to cut off toxic people from their life. They know how to live intentionally and authentically, and they know their value very well, their purpose in life very well, and they do not pretend to become someone else but themselves. With this,